Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my relaxer routine, and let's get into it. Okay, first I start with hair prep, where I just go ahead to reparting my hair into three sections, one at the back and two in front, and go ahead to twist it in. So I spoke, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? Next, I go in with an hair conditioner and I just use it to protect my hairline and skin. I go ahead to apply it to my previously relaxed hair to protect it from the relaxer, as I am only relaxing my nail growth. I just massage it in so as to cover my hair strands and go ahead to apply it to all my pre-parted sections. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of Wayne, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, won't feel when it's smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Now for my relaxer kit, I'm going to be using the Mega Growth Relaxer. I've been using it for about 2 years now and I absolutely love it. And I'm just going to show you guys what it comes with. We do have the relaxer cream activator and relaxer and the neutralizing shampoo at the back. Although this is old packaging, we'll leave the new one on the screen, as I usually get a box of 7 packs in it and I haven't exhausted it yet. We'll leave the link down below so you can check it out. So next up, I'm going to go ahead to prepare and mix my relaxer. I just got this bowl from Jumia. I'll go ahead to link it below. Next, I go ahead to put on gloves to protect my hands and start my relaxer application. When applying my relaxer, I basically focused on my nail growths and I don't apply relaxer to the ends of my strands, and that is why I applied hair conditioner which contains petroleum jelly to protect it. So typically when I'm applying my relaxer, I spend about maximum of 10 minutes applying the relaxer to my hair. I'm also going to be applying the relaxer onto my hair this lastly and just leave it in for about 8 minutes to process. Now I rinse out the relaxer from my hair and apply neutralizing shampoo. I like to go about 3 times using the 5x5 method, where I apply and massage the shampoo and leave it for 5 minutes each. Then rinse out 3 times till the lather no longer has a pinkish color, as it helps to take out all of the relaxer out of my hair. Now I just shed dried my hair and going in with the Mega Gold Deep Conditioner and just basically applying and massaging it into my hair.
which helps to rebuild the damaged hair strand due to the relaxer, as it contains protein and also moisturizing. I cover my hair with a shower cap and leave it for about 10 minutes before rinsing it off. Next, I go in with the Mega Boost leave-in conditioner, massage it in, then apply my Argan oil hair treatment as my hair loves it. Before going in with heat protectants and going ahead to pre-dry my hair. And that is it, guys. This is my relaxer routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below what your relaxer routine is like. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back and forth.